Don't forget, you can always hire Drew's Roofing and Home Repair, the crew, to come to your place, and we'll do it for you. So if you don't know how to do it, you don't have anybody around your place that can do it, give us a call. We want to come and do it for you. We're heading to Delaware, just the other side of New Jersey, to do a rubber roof on a mobile home, and that will be probably in about a few months because it's cold in Delaware right now. This is March, first week in March, and Delaware in March is pretty damn cold. So stay tuned and hit that bell notification for my videos so you can watch that job being done. So I look forward to seeing you there. Drew's Roofing and Home Repair, guys. Mobile home rubber roof. Stay tuned. Check this out. I am at Lowe's Hardware. And right down there I went through a set of gates that said drive through, pick up your materials, and check out on the other side. So I literally drove into this place. This is Lowe's. Inside materials. And you drive through it. That's amazing. So we're picking up some OSB for this job we're getting ready to start tomorrow. Or you're just watching us start it now, I guess. Drew's Roofing and Home Repair. We're down here in Whiteville. Wait till you see this project. I think this is one that everybody's been waiting for. We're going to do a rubber roof over a mobile home, and we're going to show you detailed exactly how this is done and how you can have it done at your place, because we are in North Carolina, people. All right, we're in North Carolina, and we're actually going to Delaware next month. But I hope this is a video that everybody's been wanting to see, which is mobile home rubber roofing. And I'm going to show you, like I said, detailed. Please, please, please watch this video all the way to the end. I hope you like it. It's been great. I've been just dying to do another one of these mobile homes so I can show you guys everything that you've been wanting to see. Okay, people's been asking me all the time. I want to see the termination bar. I want to see this. I want to see that. So today's your chance. Stick around, watch this video. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification so you can watch my next videos coming out. We are loading up, getting ready to do a rubber roof on a mobile home. And like I say, DIY, baby. This is something you can do yourself, I guarantee it. All right, here we are. Excuse me. This is the start of our project. See what you got, right? This is your mobile home right here. More than likely, what your mobile home looks like. No overhang, nothing over the windows. Water just runs down the side of your house all the time. Maybe they threw something here, a little rain diverter type thing to keep water from coming over your doorway. I don't know. But we'll show you what we do with that in a minute if you'll just keep watching. We'll show you how we eliminate your mobile home gutters completely. Okay, so eliminate your mobile home gutters forever. And this is how we did it. Our whole process is incorporated into a new roof for your mobile home. So if your seams are breaking, your house is old, and you can't cool seal it anymore, that's what we're here for. So check us out, start to finish. Well, you won't believe what you see at the end of this video. mobile home, rubber roof. Right now we're installing the termination bar, which is the last step of our project. How to install a termination bar on EPDM rubber. That little block is for keeping the distance from the top down to the bar. So it's consistent all the way down through there.
Hey Bob, we wrapping the whole pole?
Just the front. Just the front.
Cap on the end. I backed into it with a truck the other night.
You did it at the right time. We got a break right here.
That's the reason I thought about it.
And you do that all the way around. Be good. All the way around.
What's that other one sound like?
Old truck.
Yeah.
It's got a cam in it. It's got a little 305 in it out of a high rock Camaro.
Sweet, guys. Come back, fill in the screws when you're done. And then you're going to cut the rubber off right at the bottom of this termination bar. Done deal.
I bet it'll run too long for the high rock.
How to install a termination bar on EPDM rubber edges.
All of it? All of it?
Sorry about that.
You took it where?
Tear it apart and restore it.
Nice.
We'll paint it back solid white. You can probably tell I like white.
Hey, I was about to say everything's white except for that.